Good morning, everybody. We are on day 2 of Burn the Bird. I hope you're good. Now, I have a challenge in here. There's a furnace going, so maybe a little loud. Can't do anything about that today. So, we're going to get through this 15-minute workout together. Today, everything is 60 seconds. We're going to do a big circuit. Sorry, a little tired today. Big circuit, everything 60 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 exercises. 7 exercises back to back, about 60 seconds each. And I'll have to figure out a new setup for tomorrow. Hey, Roberta, happy Tuesday. For those of you who don't know, I just moved into a new house this way. As you can see, I'm on Wi-Fi, not hardwired, so forgive any issues. And the backdrop, but we'll get it done. Okay, so 60 seconds, everything. Again, all of these are no equipment required. So no equipment required today. We're gonna do bear crawls, half surrenders, plank push-ups, sit-ups, squats, tricep dips, and a single leg glute bridge. Everything for 1 minute. You guys ready? Starting with bear crawl right off the bat. So I'll shout over my furnace. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Type if you can hear it really loud in the background. 60 seconds bear crawl, okay? So we're gonna start here in a kneeling position. For bear crawl, all you're gonna do is lift the knees about 2 inches off the ground and off you go crawling. One leg, then the other, opposite hand and leg, just like so. And you're trying to keep your hips low. They're not way up here. And you're trying not to let them rotate. Okay, forward and back, bear crawl, just like that. You got 30 more seconds. Crawling out that bear crawl. Forward, back. You got it. Using whatever space you have. 20 seconds to go. Sounds distant, faint. Oh, good. Perfect. It's really loud in real life. 10 seconds. Keep up those bear crawls. We're going to go into half surrenders next. Half surrenders. So we're here and stop. All right, half surrenders. Coming on up, what you're going to do is step behind you, tap a leg on the ground, come forward, other leg tapping forward. That's it. Up, down, up, down. Now, if you'd like to make it more challenging, when you come up, you're going to only come up into a little mini squat. So you're never going to go all the way to stand. Okay? Down, up, just like that. Keep it up. 30 seconds down, 30 to go. Down, up, half surrenders. We're doing plank push-ups next. Tap, up, tap, up, tap, up. 15 seconds left. Last 10. Everything for a minute. 7 exercises this morning. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And stop. Plank push-ups next. So you're going to be here, pressing up and up, down and down. Up and up, down and down. You can go whenever you're ready. 1 minute. A little harder version on your toes. Keep that belly tight, shoulders relaxed, and breathe. Up and up, down and down. Up and up, down and down. Up and up, down and down. 1 minute, whichever version works for you. Switching off the hand that comes up first. Let me turn around and show you another version. Here, I'm pressing up and up, and down and down. Up, down. Just like that. 15 to go, ladies and gentlemen. 15 to go. You got it, you got it. Old school clamshell sit-ups are gonna be next in 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Flip on around. Clamshell sit-up. So you're here, legs open, off you go, up and down, up and down. Breathe. 2 core exercises in a row. Exhale as you come up. Exhale as you come up. 30 left. 30 down, 30 to go. Breathe in, breathe in. Last 20. Big old sit-ups. We're going back to legs next with a lateral squat. Last 10, last 10. You can do it. Waking things up this morning. It's 18 degrees at my house. And stop. It's a little cold in the garage, but manageable. Come on up. Lateral squats, 60 seconds. So now we're gonna squat to the sides. Out to the sides, both knees bend, then other knee. Off you go. As soon as you're ready, weight in the heels. All low impact today. If you want higher impact, you can add 2 hops in the middle. 2 hops in the middle. Breathe in, or keep it low impact, down and up. So remember with those squats, keep the shoulders down, chest high, straight back. And of course, breathe. You got 20 seconds left, then we got only 2 to finish out this first round. You got it, 15 seconds, side to side. Squat, squat. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Next 2 are on the ground. Coming on down, tricep dips. If you have a sturdy bench or something, a table, you can go off of that. Otherwise, on the ground, buns up, all you're doing, bending those elbows back, forward and back, up and down, up and down. You can go, your minute has started. Squeeze those shoulder blades together, right? So your elbows shouldn't be going out to the sides. If you see me from the front, straight back, straight back. The only thing that's happening is my booty is going towards the ground, but I'm not using my lower body. It's going towards the ground because I'm bending my elbows. Bending, bending, bending. Down, up, down, up. If that is easy for you, you can do straight legs. Lifting up, down, up, down, up. I like this one when you're on the ground because you can get your butt higher and really just focus on those triceps. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 15 more seconds, 15 more seconds. If you get tired, come down, roll those shoulders back and down, and then start again. Don't let the shoulders start to hunch here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. Come on down. Last one is going to be a single leg glute bridge. Foot on the ground, 1 foot in the air, and you're lifting up and down, up and down. Off you go. 30 seconds on one side, 30 seconds the other side. Lift, 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 lift. Breathe in, up, down, up, down. We're going to do no break, right into second set, up, down, up, down. Last one on this side, and switch. Other side, off you go, right into it. Breathe. Lifting, lifting, lifting. You got it, you got it. 15 down, 15 to go. Five seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Come on down, pull the knees into the chest. Then rolling back up to start. We're gonna start all over. You get to come back down. Bear crawls, 1 minute bear crawls. Ready, hands and knees. Lift those knees up and go. Forward and back. Forward and back. Just use whatever space you have. If you have a big space and you want to go around your whole area, then go for it. Make a big old circle. Go, go, go. 1 minute, 1 minute. You are halfway there. Halfway there. Breathe in. Forward. Seconds. Don't stop, you can do it. Last 10, last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and stop. All right, half surrenders. Coming on up. Shake it out. Here we go. One knee down and up. Other knee down and up. A little easier, coming all the way up to stand. Nice and straight. A little more difficult, coming into that squat. Really working the legs. Down, up, down, up, down, up. For a minute. You got it, you got it. Making me thirsty. 30 more seconds. Down, up, down, up, down, up. 20 to go, 20 to go. 15, 15, breathe in, breathe in. Plank push-ups are next, plank push-ups are next. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, coming on down to your knees to start into a plank push-up. And go. So get your plank first, knees or toes. Once you have a solid plank, up and up, down and down. 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 Up, up, down, down. Or knees, up, up. Try to press your hand up real close to the shoulder. You don't want to be pressing it up out here. It's a lot harder on the shoulder, a lot more difficult. Up, down, up, down. I should scratch that. It might feel easier. It's harder on the shoulder. So we want you right up and down straight. 20 seconds. We get to flip over for sit-ups. 15 to go. You got it, you got it. Last 10, last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and stop. All right, coming on over. Clamshell, soles of the feet together. My knees are open. Off you go for a minute. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Remember, none of these should hurt. No sharp shooting pains. It is. If you feel something that doesn't feel right, go ahead and just sit this one out. 20 seconds to go. And jump into the next exercise. Not offering a lot of modifications in these. We're going 15 minutes, hard and strong. And exhale, good. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good work. Standing back up, we got lateral squats. 3 left, guys. Lateral squats, tricep dips, and glute bridge. Here we go. Lateral squats. Off you go. Sideways, side to side. Most often what I see on this one is that people take too big of a step and they turn it into a lunge, which is a straight leg on the inside and a bent leg on the outside. We want a smaller step, equal weight, equal bend on the knees. Perhaps adding the hop in the middle if you would like. I think someone else joined. We got 2 exercises left. If you want to turn this into a longer one, right, this is 15 minutes, just hit replay, play it again, do 4 sets instead of 2 sets. Very easy. 15 to go. 15 to go. You got it, you got it. Last 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. All right, tricep dips. Coming down to the ground for the last 2. Hands back, fingers facing forward, and lift those hips. Off you go. Down, up, elbows straight back, so that's why you need to face those fingertips forward towards the heels. Might feel easy at first, but after a minute, you can feel it. You can feel it. Up, down, up, down. Breathe in, breathe in. Press palms into the ground. Halfway, halfway. 20 seconds, 20 seconds. Go, go, go. Getting it done this morning. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Last one of the day. Single leg glute bridge. Ready and go. Up, down, up, down. Lift, 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 lift. Doing it, doing it, doing it. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Lift. One side only. Hands relaxed on your side, shoulders relaxed. Lift. Drive that other heel towards the sky. 3, 2, 1. Switch sides. Off you go. Lift, lift, lift. Breathe. Got it, 10 seconds, last 10 seconds of this workout. Pulling that low belly up and in. 4, 3, 2, 1. You're done. Pull those knees into the chest. You might want to stretch out your butt. Stretch out those hamstrings. You guys did it, awesome job. Go out, try to maybe run or walk so that you have a little bit longer than 15 minutes this morning. Shake it out, stretch it out, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.